Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video. Today we're going to be talking about how to create a line-based family in Revit. Typically when we're loading a family in Revit, they are pretty fairly static elements like furniture, lighting pieces, or even millwork. But the beauty of the line-based family is that it follows your cursor as long as the length of the line you're going to draw. There are two things to keep in mind when drawing a line-based family: the length parameter and the reference plane. And without further ado, let's get right into it. I'll open a line-based family template. I work in Imperial, so I'm going to go to English Imperial. Let's look for the line-based family. So click on the generic model line-based family and open it. Once you open the family, this is what you're going to see. Like I said, the length parameter as well as the reference plane. This one. Now, for the purpose of this video, we're going to be making a wall-based trim. So we have our length parameter, we have our reference plane, and now the only thing that's missing is the extrusion. I'm going to go to the left elevation and draw a wall base from here. From what I know, most of the wall bases are around 3 to 5 inches high. So I'm going to go to create, go to extrusion and start creating. Let's see, that's 10. Let's do 5 inches high. Okay, now for the shape, let's do something like this. Whoa. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Okay, drop down. Let's get this guy down here. Whoa. This looks super weird. You can either do this or just use like a standard one. This is just for the purpose of this video. This one comes off from here. Whoa, double line. Hey, this might not be the prettiest wall base you've seen, but it does the job. I think there's a duplicate line here. Okay, good. Let's see how thick this guy is. Okay, should be fine. Okay, we have the shape of the extrusion for our wall base. Let me give it a material parameter. Let's go here. Let's create a new material parameter. What are we thinking, guys? Wood? I don't know. Rubber base. Okay, fine. Okay, so it has a material parameter, and click on OK. So now we have an extrusion. Let's go to the top, go to the reference view, and now we can see our extrusion. Okay, we're halfway there. The next thing we want to do is align our extrusion to the end of the length parameter. This is kind of what makes it a line-based family. So what we want to do is use the keyboard shortcut AL, align, or you can just find it here. But I use the keyboard shortcut because I'm lazy. Just type AL, we pick on where we want it to be, we pick on where it is, and lock it in place. Before I bring this family into my Revit file, I like to flex the lens so I know that what I did was successful. And how you do that is just click on this and drag it. And if it follows you, then it was successful. Or you could just go to the family types and change the length parameter from here. Let's say we want it to be, what, 5 feet? That's 5 inches, my bad. 5 feet. And we want to keep an eye for this if that changes. So press OK, apply, and that worked, as you can see. Okay, so that's great. Now let us save the file. We go to File, Save. I'm going to save it on my desktop. Oh, my desktop is so messy. I'm just going to call this rubber wall base and press Save. Amazing. So now let us load it back into the project. We load it into projects. Save the project. Now we're in the project. Let us go to a 3D view and place it around the base of the wall. Let's go to 3D and let's start from here. Let's do this wall. So we go to architecture, components. That's our rubber base. Revit will give you two options: to either place it on the face or place it on the work plane. I want to place it on the face, so I'll click on place on face and click on the face of the wall that I want to place the base on. Click on that. Oopsies. Let's click on here and draw it. And there you have your wall-based family. Let me align it. Whoa, that is very crooked. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. You go to architecture, go to component, go to place on face, click on that face, and click on that corner. We draw it, we stop it here, zoom, 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 and that is beautiful. And that is how to create a line-based family in Revit. I hope this helps, and I hope this improves your workflow moving forward. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you find videos like this informative, and also turn on the post notification to be notified whenever I have a new video up. That's all for today, guys. See you on the next one. Cheers.